Smart player always looking for space. Now the ball goes there. This space here should have been occupied by Police. Pirates has the ball. Now Titola. Watch what happens. Police drops in. He moves there. Space is segupi. Space is sila. Pirates yenzani idlali 1-2. Phumile. Space uSibisa akamnikanga, but Umbatha, he plays very well when Umbatha is around. Pass in the middle. Phumile. He gets the ball here. Look how many players are around him. Yeah? Just one ball nje Phumile siya attack. But people will never remember that pass. Sanbonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Today's video is about Tito Maswangan, right? First game of the season, but already there's a lot of noise with Tito. Right? I just feel good. There's people who don't like Tito, né? And whatever that you say or whatever that you show them, right? Angeke change ukuthi bambona kanjani. And then there's people who don't understand igame yakhe. Right? This video is actually for you guys. I'm going to show you why I think he is the smartest player who Orlando Pirates. Ne? Yes, every player in a weakness and their strength. I'm not going to show you every touch INZ, because sometimes the player in like one. Ne? I'm just going to show you 10 pointers. Now let's start. Remember, he plays as a 10. Ne? The first thing, I don't think he was developed properly as a number 10. If he was developed as an 8, he would have been great. He would have been great. He's not fast. He plays at his own tempo. I think maybe that's one of the problems with Pirates, because people think when you run slow, you are lazy and things like that. He doesn't have pace. Ne? Sharp. This is Tito coming in here. So his game model is to always come deep and open up his space here. Put a space here. Let me take it back. I want to show you something. Now, he's coming this side, and then he brings in this guy who was playing as a 6. And then he's bringing this guy who was playing as a 6. And it's sharp. He's actually looking to pass the ball here. Just that Azanga actually the opportunity. He wanted to pass Police there. Look where Police. Now this guy, Wenzani, he goes there. But the space here, Umuremi could have dropped into the space. And it's sharp. Nothing wrong. We keep the ball. Smart player, always looking for space. Now the ball goes there. This space here should have been occupied by Police. Police, if he had dropped here, Tito moves in here. I'll show you in the next clip. This move, enkhuluma ngayo. La bad pass from Muhoto, ibola gcina kube throw in. Nakia, Pirates has the ball. Now Tito la. Watch what happens. Police drops in, he moves there. Space is segupi. Space is sila. Pirates yenzani idlali 1-2. Phumile. Smart players, they'll always find space. Smart players will always look where is space or create space for another player. Nakia, Pirates is on the attack. This is Tito. Drops back because he knows Agana pace. Angit, Senzani, let's play. Da. Pirates is attacking. In football, there's different types of players. There's players where if he attack Nikalile, back on we continue. But Tito is the player that likes to start the attack. Maybe that's why a lot of people don't understand. Ne? Uyelo. he is the one who starts la. Angithi, watch him run. Buchuma should have left the ball for him. There's different types of players. He is the player that likes to start the movement. 1, 2, 1, 2. That's why for me, if he was developed as an 8, ibhola lila kube huyo controller igame and then huyo ojoinayo. Nakia, another move. Good players will always try to find space. He doesn't get the ball, he gets it now. Angazi bekakhalela uHoto for in, but okay, sharp. It's still ibhola lethu angithi. Good players will always try and find space. Usibisa kamnikanga, but Umbatha, he plays very well when Umbatha is around. Pass in the middle, Spumile. Pirates enzani, they lose the ball. Good players will always find where space is. Akana speed Shem yena, but in this clip, hey, we are gijima Shem yazini. Hey, ball comes to the right, makes the run there. Space isiguphi silaphaya. Tata, he goes. Now, as a striker, hey, bafethu. As a striker, ithingiyekela umbuthuma wabantu. As a striker, ngiyasho futhi, when the ball comes here, stop ukuma la, uvalela abanye abantwana i-angle. When you are the one that's supposed to be here, this ball was supposed to be crossed for you la. Abomuremi bazokora kanjani. When you are the one, as a target man, you're supposed to be decoy when the ball is here. You go in front there, so they play the ball behind you. Now, this clip is a game model yakatito. When a team sits, ingafuni ukupress, right? Pirates was on a transition, and okay, sharp. Uyele mover. Now, Uyelo comes back, draws in the man, they space here, and it draws in the man. Muremi, he comes back. Utansin could have passed the ball there. Okay, sharp, Engel. Now, he is trying to look for a space there. He doesn't get it. Now, he moves. 1. Hey, 1.5. 1, 2. Imagine if Begui 1, 2. What police is running there? 1, 2. This is a game mode yakatito. Is to drop in and it atene a shaky baller and then 1, 2, 1, 2. In South Africa, we are known for 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Nakia. Paris is on the attack. Didolo. Looking to pass the ball there. Okay, Ivum. Could have passed the ball there. Decides to pass it here. Good idea. Almost got. Umbatha could have passed the ball to Utansin Besayasha first time, but Utagambona. One thing I've noticed, he's not a player that likes to switch ball or play a diagonal pass. But in this game he did. I think just the guy won. Uyelo. Beautiful pass, beautiful first touch from Uhud. 1-2 kaningi lana sidlali 1-2 kaningi 10 ahoto ushaya mfana kithi. One thing about Utito that a lot of people angeke bayibona is when he keeps the ball or makabambi ball, he always draws 1 or 2 players, and a lot of people don't abayiboni lento leyo, appreciate, or they don't recognize ukuthi he gets the ball here. Look how many players are around him. Just one ball nje siphumile siya attack, but people will never remember that pass. they'll always remember ipass leso. That pass from Tito iqala everything because it draws defenders to him. Liyaphuma, then we go and attack. Meaning sesibaningi ukudlula bona mase attack. But a lot of people will never see that pass. Will only see the final pass lapaya. Like I said earlier, every player has their own weakness, and one of his weakness is heading the ball. If you are saying one of his weakness is go too slow, I don't think it's a weakness because I don't think ukuthi angakhona ukuba fast, right? It's like umuntu oyicripple bese uthi weakness you can't walk. There's nothing that you can do to improve speed sakhe. Angeke abe fast afana njengo hold. Now, heading the ball should have done better there. Heading the ball, a lot of players don't know how to head the ball. And to be a professional player and an attacking player, you need to know how to head the ball. Heading the ball, remember Guti, not always Guti melukor. Sometimes you have to pass the card, you know. Yeah, that's one of his weaknesses. I think Mela asebenze kuzo. I'm not a Pirates fan, but I just felt in Joguti there was just too many noise around Tito. Already good first game, and I don't think Guti he played badly in this game because I watched the game Saturday and then I analyzed it. Then I had to watch it again to see Guti. Lento abantu abayikhalelayo yini, and angiboni mina into abayikhalelayo. Some people like him, khona abantu abangeke baze bamthanda. It's life, injalo. Thank you for watching bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Don't sell fish. Share this video nabanye abantwana. Ngiyabonga.